Copywriting for advertising. In this video, you will going to learn how to add enthusiasm into your ad copy. So why do you need enthusiasm, and why do you need to add enthusiasm at the beginning of your ad copy? Because you need to hook your readers' attention. Why enthusiasm is important? Because if you are not excited about the product or service that you are selling, why should the reader become excited about it? Simple as that. So here are some tips that you can use in order to add enthusiasm into your ad copy. The first tip I have for you is avoid cold brain startup. So what do I mean by that? You can't show enthusiasm if your brain is not working quickly. What you need to do is you need to warm up your brain before writing the ad, whatever that you are writing, right? To warm up your brain, what you can do is you can start writing whatever comes to your mind about the product or service. Whatever comes to your mind, write that out. Keep writing 5 to 10 sentences randomly, right? You have to write randomly. Then once you feel that ideas are coming one after the other to your mind, then take another paper and then start writing the original ad, right? So that is step number 1. Tip number 2, divide and merge. What is dividing and merging? If you are writing long sales letter it might be an email series, don't try to finish all at once. If you feel stuck or tired, stop writing. Come back after taking a small break. Repeat with tip number 1, which is just warming up a little bit and then start writing. Tip number 3, eliminate distractions when writing copy. Yes, you need to have focus. Focus on the product and the copy. Do not let others disturb you, because if you get any interruptions or distraction, most probably you will lose momentum. Keep your phone away from you. Disable all notifications from all social media channels and focus on the copy itself, right? Tip number 4, that is use imagination and look from the other side of the wall. Now what do I mean by that? You need to picture yourself as your reader. Imagine that you have used the product or service and you have solved the problem. How would you feel? Think in that way. That is called looking from the other side. For example, let's say you are writing a copy to sell a weight loss training program. Imagine yourself as a person who has suffered from overweight a few months back, maybe. How would you feel after you have gone through the program, and what feelings you have about yourself after losing weight? Think about those and you will naturally be able to come up with compelling copy and add enthusiasm into your ad copy. So that's all today. I'll see you in the next video.
Click the subscribe button now. Also click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release a new video.